Welcome guys, this is Dino here with the GD review, and in this video today I'm going to review my new gaming chair, which is the SecretLab Titan Evo. So I received my SecretLab Titan Evo on the 19th of September. It was originally ordered on the Wednesday, which was the 18th, so it was delivered the very next day, which is really fast. It says on their website direct, and I mean it was direct. Now going into the build of the Titan Evo, it was very easy, very simple to do. I had a few issues with a few of the bolts, just general. So yeah, just a general build of the chair, and it was very simple. There was a lot of wastage packing in the box, like foam and stuff like that, that's not recyclable, so it has to go in the main waste. So roughly after 10 days of having the chair, I started getting pins and needles in the lower back and shooting pains down the legs, and the chair was really uncomfortable to sit in. So much so I didn't want to sit in the chair for more than 2 hours at a time. Comparison with my previous chair, which was an Amiga GT XL, was comfortable. I could use that chair for hours on end without any issues. So I reached out to their support. I was given a blanket response of it might take around 5 to 6 weeks for the chair to break in because it's brand new. But they said their chairs was considerably firmer than most, so I was willing to do that, no problem at all, to try the chair for a further 5 or 6 weeks, because I contacted them within a 14-day period of purchasing the chair. But unfortunately 5 weeks later, still nothing. So I contacted them again. They basically raised a ticket, and they was offering to replace the seat base, which was out of stock anyway. And I just said I wanted a refund, and they reached out to their department. They was willing to refund it, but I would have to pay for the return, which I found this to be completely unacceptable, because I've contacted them within a 14-day period, which I was entitled to a return and a full refund. And the return should have been paid by the seller, by SecretLab. So about 44 emails later, and having to threaten them with legal action, they finally gave in. My advice to you is avoid this company at all costs. They sell a premium chair, which the chair is premium. The stitching, the design of the chair, they've gone into a lot of detail with the chair. Unfortunately, their customer services lets it down. When a customer basically contacts them with a problem, they don't want to deal with it. They just put it down to wear and tear, or basically it's normal. So my advice to you is find a different chair. Read the reviews on Trustpilot before going ahead with buying anything offline, because we learn by our mistakes. Anyway guys, if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, just give it a thumbs down, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell notification, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Until next time, bye for now.
And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause girl, you're a